What's going on guys, Kyle here from Guidewise. In this video, I will show you how to create viral social media posts in Kittl. In the left column, select New Project, then go to Social. You can then select the type of social media platform that you will be using. You can select Square, Portrait, Landscape, or choose from other options. Once you have selected your size, then click Create. Add a bold hook as your main text. Go to Text in the left column, search for the font that you would like, then simply click it and it will be added to your design. Once you have your bold text and hook, add a graphic or image to support the text. Go to the left column, select Photos, and then type in what you would like to search for. When you find your image, click it and add it to your design. If you would like to make this the background, click the three dots in the corner and then click Use as Background. You can then make further edits if needed. If you are happy with everything, go and share it, download it, or export it in the top right corner. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.